you know, the one who Uber failed. I'm gonna try it right now.
You already know. See how he does.
All right, let's see how I do. All right. Okay, so this one. Okay. You actually. Oh, it's like the pinball.
It's actually a launcher.
Oh damn! Oh damn! How do you? Oh, this is the level of music.
See how he does. One tip I'm gonna give you is like you have to pull back and then push in.
Really?
Yeah. It's actually really weird.
It's not working.
Like it's actually really weird.
My ball stopped moving. My ball stopped moving. Dude, it's not right.
Oh shoot! How do you do? Oh, this game's not showing him love. Look at that! It's not showing him hand. Man,
Okay,
you have to get it out there.
It lies. It lies. It's showing the thing. It drops like 4 feet underneath, dude.
Don't do it.
This is
See how he does.
6. Why is it counting down? Why is it counting down?
You gotta shoot. You gotta shoot.
There's no ball. How's he gonna shoot without a ball? I was jinxed, man. That was just, dude, it didn't give me my balls.
Gave him no ball.
I got my ball now. Oh, my ball failed.
Look where it went.
Look,
Where it went.
oh, look at that. What? Oh, look, now it gives me a damn balls. All right, I'm gonna aim up.
Oh man.
I was bugging Donnie. I'm so sorry, Donnie.
Oh man. The 3-point game.
I'm not shooting.
3-point game is not real right now.
It's a misfire.
There it is. Did he get both?
Oh!
Let's see if he explodes.
I was robbed. Oh, man.